Gardening in New South Wales in spring is beautiful. The days are getting longer and you get to do a lot more gardening. Here's some great ideas for your garden in New South Wales in September. We should be planting some beautiful tomatoes, and there's so many wonderful varieties. Truss tomatoes, your very large tomatoes like beefsteak. So my favourite tomato to grow would be Roma. It has a very high yield, less pest problem, and is wonderful in all forms of cooking. If you don't have any idea of what tomato to grow, come and speak to our garden expert and they'll show you the wide choice of tomatoes for all situations. So as well as your tomatoes, you can plant basil, celery and rocket. They make a great addition to the garden. Some other great things to plant this time of year is passion fruit, citrus, petunias, lavender, daisies and salvias. So in our gardens in September, we should be harvesting silver beet, leek, parsley, beans, onions and a huge variety of lettuce. Spring's a great time to be in your garden. Get out your pruners and give native shrubs such as grevilleas a trim to encourage bushy growth. Feed your lawn with Lawn Builder. It's coming out of winter, so it will help strengthen roots and promote growth. Azaleas and camellias could also do with a good feed after flowering. Keep an eye on watering needs, as plants use more water when they start to flower. And if it's looking sparse, top up your mulch around the garden. The soil will thank you later on. This time of year is wonderful in the garden. It's warming up, the bees are out, the flowers are out. If you don't know what to do, come and see a garden expert in store and they will love to help you. So click here for more gardening advice and here to go back to the website.